Northeastern Frontier Agency. There is the northern parts of Patkai booms, and here the Miri Mishmi above hills are present, guys. They all together are called as the Northeastern Frontier Agencies. So that is the Patkai boom at present in Arunachal Pradesh. Right. To the south of the Patkai booms are present the Naga hills. Okay, to the south of the Patkai booms are present the Naga hills, guys. Okay, yeah. Then the highest peak of the Naga hills, guys, right? The highest peak of the Naga hills is the Mount Saramati. Mount Saramati. Is the highest peak of Naga hills. To the south of Naga hills are present the Manipur hills. To the south of the Naga hills are present the Manipur hills, right? The northern Manipur hills which are joining or which are extending towards the Naga hills, the northern Manipur hills, right, which are extending towards the Naga hills, guys, right? They are called as Tuisang hills. Tuisang hills, the northern Manipur hills, right, which are extended towards the Naga hills are called as the Tuisang hills. Okay, yeah. In between the Naga hills and the Manipur hills, guys, or to the north of the Tuisang hills, in between the Naga hills and the Manipur hills, or to the north of the Tuisang hills, right, they are extending the curved mountain ranges called as the Barail ranges. The Barail ranges. Right. This was again our prelims question, guys. Right. Here you are having the, what is present here, guys? This is Meghalaya plateau. Okay. So, which of the following are separating the Meghalayan plateau from that of the eastern hills was the question. So, the Barail ranges are separating the Meghalayan plateau and the eastern hills, guys. Okay. Yeah. And to the south of Manipur hills are present the Mizo hills, which are also called as the Lushai hills. Okay, to the south of Manipur hills are present the Mizo hills or the Lushai hills. Right. And one prelims question was asked a long time before when we were writing the prelims examination, guys. Right. So the highest peak of the Mizo hills is Blue Mountain Peak. The highest peak is the Blue Mountain Peak. So when this was asked in our examination, when we are writing our exams, guys, we were not knowing this. So Blue Mountain means we thought that it is some of the place in Nilgiri hills. Nilgiri hills are also called as the Blue Mountains. So we have drawn this as a part and parcel of the Nilgiris, guys. But the Blue Mountain Peak is the highest peak in the Mizo hills or the Lushai hills. Yeah. So when we talk about these eastern hills, guys, right, the eastern hills which are extending in north-south direction, right, but in an arcuate form, guys. If you look at our India, it is like an arc. So all these mountains are arcuately present and they enter into Myanmar. Okay, so these hills are entering into Myanmar, right, and in Myanmar they are called as the Arkan Yoma ranges. So the Arkan Yoma ranges of Myanmar are nothing but the extensions of the eastern hills, guys. Okay, so they are the Arkan Yoma ranges. Yeah. Like within the Manipur hills, I forgot to tell, within the Manipur hills, right, the Manipur hills are arranged in a circular manner, guys. There are several of the mountains which are present in the Manipur hills which are arranged circularly, right, and the drainage is centripetal. So the rivers will be draining from all the mountains to the center, right, and in the center of these hills there is a small or a big lake formed, guys. So on all the sides you are having the mountains, in between the mountains you are having a lake. It seems as if the lake is floating within the mountains, right. So that is called as the floating lake of India, the Loktak. The floating lake of India, the Loktak. Right, I forgot to tell that, guys. Okay, yeah. So as I told you, the height of the eastern hills is decreasing from north to south, guys. Patkai booms are very high, right? The Naga hills are little bit smaller, right? And the Manipur hills are little bit much more smaller. Then the Mizo hills are much smaller. To the south, there are Arkan Yomas. Arkan Yomas are much more smaller, guys. After the Arkan Yomas, do you know what is happening? After the Myanmar, guys, the Arkan Yomas, they are touching the ground and they are submerging below the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so the mountains are coming from the top, Patkai Boom, Naga Hill, Manipur Hill, right? Lushai Hills or the Mizo Hills, okay, Arkan Yomas, and they are submerging under the Bay of Bengal, right? And they re-emerge to be forming the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the extensions of eastern hills. Okay, guys. So below this Arkan Yomas, and here you are having the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the extensions of the eastern hills, guys. Yeah. Whenever we talk about the general division of the Himalayas, Himalayan ranges, guys, right, these Himalayas, right, the Himalayas are broadly divided into three divisions. The western Himalayas, right, the central Himalayas or the middle Himalayas, and the Assam Himalayas. Okay, this is the general division. So western Himalayas are extending from Indus Gorge to the Kali River. They are all called western Himalayas. Okay, then the central Himalayas, the Nepal Himalayas are called as the central or the middle Himalayas. Sorry, not central, middle Himalayas. Okay, because the central Himalayas are again the greater Himalayas, guys. So this should be called as the middle Himalayas, right? And the extensions from Sikkim to Brahmaputra Gorge, they are called as the Assam Himalayas. Right, the Assam Himalayas are called as the Eastern Himalayas. Okay, Eastern hills are different from Eastern Himalayas, guys. Assam hills, Assam Himalayas are called as the Eastern Himalayas. Right. So one of the question was asked in the optional geography prelims questions, guys. Right. From where to where, exactly from where to where the Himalayas are called as the Eastern Himalayas? We have just now said that Assam Himalayas are called as the Eastern Himalayas, right? But from where to where they are called as the Eastern Himalayas, right? So they are called as the Eastern Himalayas from Langlila Pass. Langlila Peak, guys, not pass. Langlila Peak in Sikkim to Brahmaputra Gorge in Arunachal Pradesh. So in between Langlila peak to Brahmaputra gorge, they are called as the Eastern Himalayas. Okay. Yeah. Next, the regional division of Himalayas. Okay, this is general division. Now we'll be talking about the regional division of Himalayas. Right. Sir Sidney Burrard. 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 Sir Sidney Burrard. Right. This person has divided the Himalayas into 4 regions. Okay, he has divided the Himalayas into 4 regions or 4 segments on the basis of river valleys. Okay, on the basis of the river valleys, guys. Number 1 are called as the Punjab Himalayas. Punjab Himalayas. Okay, and these are the Himalayas which stretch for 560 kilometers between Indus Gorge to Satluj Gorge. Okay, so they are extending for 560 kilometers in between Indus Gorge to the Satluj Gorge, because Sir Sidney Burrard has divided the Himalayas into 4 segments or 4 regions based on the river valleys. So here the river valleys are the Indus River and the Satluj River. So in between these 560 kilometers, they are called as the Punjab Himalayas. But because they are present in Kashmir and Himachal also, they are also called as the sometimes the Himachal Himalayas or the Kashmir Himalayas. Himachal Himalayas or the Kashmir Himalayas, right? The second is the Kumaon Himalayas. Kumaon Himalayas. And these are the Himalayas which are extending between the Satluj and the Kali. So these are all the Kumaon Himalayas. So between Satluj and Kali River for 320 kilometers. 320 kilometers. But this Kumaon Himalayas are again differentiated into 2, guys. Right? The Western Kumaon Himalayas. The Western Kumaon Himalayas are said to be the Kumaon Propers. Kumaon Propers. And the Eastern Kumaon Himalayas are called as the Garhwal Ranges. Okay, so the westerns are called as the Kumaon Propers and the easterns are called as the Garhwal Ranges. And the third segment of the third division is the Nepal Himalayas. They run for a distance of 800 kilometers. 800 kilometers. The Nepal Himalayas. So obviously they are between the Kali and the Teesta rivers for 800 kilometers. Then comes the Assam Himalayas between the Teesta and Brahmaputra river for 750 kilometers. Assam Himalayas 750 kilometers between the Teesta and Brahmaputra. So this is the regional division given by Sir Sidney Burrard, and this was one of the in optional geography, this was asked in the form of a short question, guys. Now we will be talking about the glaciers in the Himalayas. Glaciers, guys. Right. So how much of the area we said that the Himalayas are covering? 5 lakh square kilometers. Right. So the total area covered by the Himalayas is 5 lakh square kilometers. right? Out of that 5 lakh square kilometers, 33,000 square kilometers of area is covered by the glaciers.